Hey everyone, so you can see my hot mess here. I tried to do a hairdryer painting and I absolutely hated it, so I scraped it. Sorry. So I'm just going to do a flip and drag on here because I know that'll work. And I'm just going to do pinks and a little white, something bright. So I'm going to take a 5-ounce cup and spray it with the WD-40 and rub it in. I tried putting the dimethicone in a spray bottle and it does not spray, it just gloops. So I'm going to try something else, but not today. Okay, so I'm going to put a little white in there, just a tad, and start with the Acrylic Rose. This is Creative Inspirations color. And some Rose Metallic, which is a craft paint. And then I'm going to use some Lucas Rose. And a little more quinacridone. And just a little tiny bit of white. That's it. Alright, so pop that in the middle of the canvas. Man, I am bumping this cord like crazy and you're probably getting tons of static. There's a lot of paint in that cup. But with black, your color usually sinks into the black and the black usually takes over. So I like a lot of color on a black painting. So I got a couple drips going down. Okay, so I'm just going to drag it along and I'm dropping a ton of paint. I love black and pink together. There we go. Didn't want to get too much gray in there. So I'll let that set for a minute. Okay, let me try moving it just a little bit. There's a ton of paint on there. All right, let's see one little spot here. There. There. You know, I just love working with black, but it is so messy. So all you artists that work with black all the time, kudos, because I don't like to get messy. Let me torch that and see what, if I can get some bubbles out of there. I'm sitting back pretty far. I have my saddle stool now, so I'm not over top of the painting. I like the way that is getting some dendrites in there. Interesting. So I'm hoping we can pick up some color from underneath or something to bring this out a little bit. Not much there. So I mixed up a bunch of the Lucas paints today Well, actually I mixed them up yesterday, and we are going to paint with those today. I'm gonna shoot probably 5 videos. Doesn't mean they'll all be Lucas paints, but I thought I'd get some videos done today. Oh, that is so cool. It's like smoky looking. I would normally flip this canvas around, but then I gotta really wipe my hands, so. If you've been watching me, you know what I'm doing over here. Right here we need something, don't we? Let's try to push this over. That is really cool right there. There's lots of cells in here too. Let me move this down. Just look too cut off from the rest. Okay. Let me give it a quick torch. Alright. Give you a peek. This is going to dry totally different, so it's very cool. I love this up here. Isn't that neat? Yeah. Alright, so there's my mess from the last one. Okay, so before I shut this off, I want to grab one that I made for my bedroom. I'll be right back with it. It's a big one. Let me get my mic back on here. There. It's a big one. It's a 15 by 30. These are the colors that are in my bedroom. Isn't it pretty? I'm loving it. I can't wait to clean it and varnish it. And then I made a 10 by 20 that's very similar to that, to hang going vertically. So yeah. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. And click on the little bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share, and leave a comment. I do have paintings in the Etsy shop. We are going to try to photograph some paintings tonight. We're having problems with glare. Every painting we took pictures of had a glare, and my son does not have time to Photoshop for me, so I've been told. So thanks a lot, Jake. But we will get those up there very soon. There's 11 there right now, and there are smaller ones that I did last year. But I'll give you a gist of my prices and something to base color schemes on. And I'm also on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. And there you can see dried paintings, and sometimes I'll post videos on there that I don't put on YouTube, especially my bloopers. But everybody has bloopers. You might not see them on YouTube because they don't post them, but I do. And we have a good time there. I always answer questions and give links for products if you need them. So if you need to get a hold of me, you can get a hold of me through Facebook. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Bye now.